Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for taking the time to watch this quick video. Amazon Prime Day specials, deals still going on. Right now you can pick up the Razer Phone for $524.65, basically 525 smacks. Originally priced at $699.99. I've seen it go down to $599.99. But this is even better. 525 smacks. You cannot go wrong with the Razer Phone. Bold, sexy, a little plain Jane, but that's what makes it so different from all the other smartphones. I'm gonna tell you something, man. This is a bold powerhouse device. Sexy in its own way, but very bold. Speaker up top, speaker at the bottom, 5.7-inch IPS LCD display, 1440 by 2560. Yes, the aspect ratio is 16:9. I love that aspect ratio when it comes to a display. Old school, but yet new school coming together. 120 Hz refresh rate, cannot go wrong at all. So yeah, go over to Amazon, and this is what you're going to see. $524.65. Three colors. There's the gold edition, the green edition, but that's going to cost you $699. Right now, $524. This is the cheapest that I've seen the Razer Phone. So man, if this is a device that you've been wanting to pick up, go over there right now. And in my opinion, it's a worthy device to bring in and use as your daily driver. And if you have a ton of smartphones like I do, just bring it in and make it part of the family with all your other smartphones, if you're addicted like I am. But that is just a great price. If you go down below here, little description there, the world's first 120 Hz ultra motion display for smoother and truer graphics. Audio is powered by Dolby Atmos and certified by THX for a true cinematic audio experience. Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, 8 gigs of RAM for optimized performance. The Razer Phone is a GSM compatible unlock phone. So you know what, you just cannot go wrong. This is an amazing smartphone. Again, it's just a powerhouse device. Got my slick wraps Blade Runner skin on the back here. Just amazing. So let me know if this is a device that you are going to pick up. Again, it's a deal alert. Amazon Prime Day specials deal still going on. And a lot of you may already have known about this. I just came across it, so I'm going to share it with all of you. Again, let me know down below. Thanks for watching, everyone. God bless. Till my next video. Peace. I'm out.